Imagine this. You're scrolling through your phone and you see yet another story about someone who invested $1,000 in a stock and turned it into $100,000 in just a few years. Meanwhile, your money is sitting in a savings account, barely keeping up with inflation. Here's the scary truth. If you're not investing, you're falling behind and picking the wrong stocks. That could be even worse. But what if I told you there's a method, a proven strategy to identify winning stocks without gambling your hard-earned money? Stay with me because in this video, I'll show you step by step how to pick winning stocks like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end, you'll feel confident and ready to start building real wealth. Here's rule number 1. Never invest in something you don't understand. If you can't explain what a company does in one sentence, you shouldn't invest in it. Take Apple, for example. It sells innovative gadgets that people can't live without. Simple, right? Compare that to a biotech company with a 50-page prospectus that you don't understand. Which one feels safer? The key is to focus on companies whose products or services you use daily. And don't just stop there. Dig deeper. Who are their competitors? What's their unique edge? If you don't know, the stock market will gladly take your money. This is where most people tune out. Numbers scare them. But here's the deal. You don't need to be a math whiz to spot a financially healthy company. Start with these 3 numbers. Revenue growth. Is the company making more money year after year? Profit margin. Are they keeping more of what they earn? Debt-to-equity ratio. Are they drowning in debt or managing it wisely? Think of it this way. A company's financial health is like your personal budget. If you're spending more than you earn, you're in trouble. The same applies to stocks. Now, let's talk about timing. Picking winning stocks isn't about guessing what will go up tomorrow. It's about identifying trends that will dominate the next 5, 10, or even 20 years. For example, think about renewable energy, electric vehicles, or AI. These aren't just fads. They're the future. Companies riding these waves have massive growth potential. But here's the catch. Not every company in a booming industry is a winner. Some are just riding the hype. How do you separate the real innovators from the pretenders? That's where research comes in. A company is only as good as the people running it. Look at the CEO and leadership team. What's their track record? Have they built successful companies before, or are they making empty promises? Elon Musk didn't just make Tesla a success. He created PayPal, SpaceX, and more. That's the kind of leadership you want to bet on. Here's the hardest part of all. Patience. Winning stocks don't make you rich overnight. Even the best performing stocks take years to grow. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't dig it up every week to see if it's growing. You water it, nurture it, and let time do its thing. But here's the exciting part. If you choose wisely, the rewards can be life-changing. So, now you know how to pick winning stocks. Understand the business. Check the financial health. Look for long-term trends. Evaluate leadership. Practice patience. But remember, picking stocks is just one part of the equation. To truly unlock wealth, you need to understand the power of compounding. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Crypto and Cash Flow for more actionable tips. See you in the next video.